This video, I'm going to show you how you can update App Vault. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to update or get the latest version of App Vault app, it's pretty simple. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with the app and also fix any issues that might be associated with this app. To update your app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone or App Store on your iPhone. For my case, I'll go to Play Store here, and then from here, go ahead and log into your Play Store account with your Google account. So use your Gmail to log in and then search for your app here. However, if you can't see this search bar, then head down to a search icon. You should see it here. Tap on it and then just search your app by name, App Vault, like that, and tap on search. Here you can see I have my App Vault. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update, and this is from Xiaomi Niche. Now to get it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of App Vault app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open from here to start using the latest version of App Vault app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.